Children, exercise 11.1, question number 2. Let us read the question. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with a measurement as shown in the figure. Okay? And she wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of the garden, cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. Let us see the picture here. So, this is the figure. Here you can see that it is a square plot, that is 25 meter and 25 meter. It is a square plot. In the center, the area of the house, that is length is 20 meter and breadth is 15 meter. So you want to construct the garden around the house. So I will show you a picture here. So here children, this is a square plot and this is the area where he is going to construct the house. So this area is for the garden. This white color area is for the garden. And it is given that per meter square it is rupees 55. Per meter square it is 55 means what is the full cost? So for finding that, you should find the area of the plot, subtract the area used for constructing the house. So first you will find the area of the plot. Also you will find the area for the construction of the house. Both the areas you will find and you will subtract area of used for the house from the plot. Then you will multiply by 55. Okay, we'll see. This is the picture. So what is the area of the garden? That is 25 into 25. If you do, you will get the area of the full plot you will get. Then if you want to find the area of the house means, house area means it is 20 into 15. Let us now see the solution. Solution. Area of the plot, that is equal to side into side. As the shape of the plot is square shape, so side into side. So it is equal to 25 meter into 25 meter. That is equal to 625 meter square. Now area of the house. Area of the house is in the shape of a rectangle. The plot for the house is in the shape of a rectangle. So L into B, length into breadth. So 20 meter into 15 meter, that is equal to 300 meters. So now we have found the area of both the things. Now area of the garden to be developed. So what area of the garden, if you want to find, what you should do? Area of the plot minus area of the house. Okay. So that is 625 meter square minus 300 meter square. That is equal to 325 meter square. Now you want to find the cost. Per meter square it is given as 55. For this full area you should do 325 into 55. Then you will get 17,875 rupees. Okay. Now we'll go to next problem. Now children, third question. The shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends as shown in the diagram. Find the area and the perimeter of the garden. And in bracket it is given that the length of the rectangle is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 meters. Okay. So you should find the area of the figure and also the perimeter. Okay. So let us see this picture. Here it is given 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. Why it is given like that? So let us see. So if you want to find the perimeter, you should add this length and the semicircular region's length. If you add, you will get the perimeter. So here it is totally given as 20. So we don't want this area and this area we don't want. So that is what here it is given as 7. Yes, here it is 7 means inside also it will be 7. As it is a semicircle, here will come our radius. So this will be 3.5 and this side also 3.5. If that is 3.5, this part also will be 3.5. It is a radius 3.5. Same way here also the radius will come as 3.5. 3.5. So this part is subtracted from 20. Here 3.5 is subtracted this side, also 3.5 is subtracted this side. So that is how the length of the rectangles, this part is taken as 7, 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. 3.5 plus 3.5 it is 7. So 20 minus 7 you are doing, okay? That is equal to 13. So the measure of here is 13. Same way the measure of here is 13 you are getting. Okay. Now we will check the semicircular parts perimeter. So this area we are going to see. Okay. So how to find that? You know that for a circumference of a circle it is 2 pi r. Okay. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. But it is semicircle. It is only half. Okay. It is half. So 2 and 2 got cancelled and your formula will be pi r. For semicircle, the circumference will be pi r. So let us take the formula pi r. Now, what is the radius here? It is 3.5. Okay. So 22 by 7 into 3.5. Now you are cancelling 7 and 35. 7 5s are 35. How much? It is 3.5. So it is 0.5. So 22 into 0.5. So when you are doing 22 into 5, you are getting 110 as answer. As decimal point is there, you are putting a point. So your answer is equal to 11. Okay. For one semicircle, it is 11. For this also, this side also means what you should do? You will do 11 into 2, that is equal to 22. So this part plus this part, how much you are getting? 22. Then how much? This is 11 and this is 11. So totally I am taking it as 22. Now the length here, I told that it is 13. Here it is 13. So what you should do for perimeter? 13 plus 13 plus 22 together. So you will get the perimeter. That part let us see in solution first. Now length of the rectangle equal to 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5, that is equal to 13. We got it. Now circumference of one semicircular part, that is pi r. Okay, so 22 by 7 into 3.5, that is 11 meter. Then circumference of both semicircular part, that is equal to 2 into 11, that is equal to 22 meter. Now we are going to see about the, so here is a part we have found now. Perimeter of the garden equal to AB, I'll show you, AB plus length of both the sides, plus CD. This is what you are going to do. So 13 plus 22 plus 13, that is equal to 48 you are getting. Now we will see the area. So here once more, area of the garden equal to area of the rectangle plus 2 into area of the two circular region. Okay, so how to do that? So here we should find the area of the rectangle. So this is the rectangle you are finding. First area of the rectangle we will find. So here you know the length is 13 and the breadth is 7. So area of the rectangle, it is equal to L into B. So what you will do? 13 into 7 you will do. Okay, so you will get the area of the rectangle. Then next part is area of the semicircular region. So you can do in both the ways, children. Semicircular region means you know that area of the circle is pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. So when you need semicircle, it is divided by 2. But children, in this picture, we can take it as a whole circle. This semicircle and this semicircle. So if you take the formula pi r square also, it will be correct. Okay, 2 pi r square. 2 is coming, that is pi r square half semicircle and half semicircle. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Pi r square, that is our area of the circle. Pi r square is a formula we are going to use here. Okay, and you will add this both. Area of the rectangle plus area of the circle, or 2 semicircles you will take. Okay, we will see how to find the area of the garden. Here this part, it is 13 into 7, what I told, that L into B. Now next one, semicircular. Okay, 2 semicircles are there and area of 2 semicircular area, that is pi r square by 2. It is pi r square is for the full circle. As we are having semicircle, it is divided by 2. Okay, so this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Okay, here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and now the rest which we are having is pi r square. Pi value I am giving it as 22 by 7 and r square, that is 3.5 whole square. So when you are doing this, once more, okay, now you cancelled this and this. Now the rest. Okay, so this one you can write it as 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. Like this you can do. You can cancel it like this, 0.5. You can do as usual, that is 110. It will come as 11 into 3.5 you can do. Then you will get the answer as 38.5. So this both you are multiplying and you are getting 91 as the answer. Then you will add this both. Then you will get 129.5 meter square as the answer. This is the area. Okay. Now we have found the area and also the perimeter. So perimeter is 48 meter and area is 129.5 meter square. Thank you, children.